Learning English can be difficult at the beginning, especially when we feel shy or make mistakes. This story is about a girl named Ria who wants to improve her English. With daily practice, courage, and patience, she slowly becomes confident. Her journey shows that anyone can learn English with effort and belief.
My name is Ria. I am a student. I live in a small town with my family. I study in a government school. I like learning new things, but I had one big problem. My English was very weak. When my teacher spoke in English, I did not understand. When I tried to speak, I felt shy. I made many mistakes. My classmates laughed sometimes. I felt sad and nervous. I wanted to improve my English, but I did not know how to start. One day, my English teacher said, "Practice is the key to success." These words stayed in my mind. That day, I decided to improve my English step by step. First, I started with small things. Every morning, I woke up early. I looked at simple English words. I learned 5 new words every day. I wrote them in a notebook. I also wrote their meanings in my own language. Then I tried to make small sentences. For example, one day I learned the word happy. I wrote, "I am happy." Then I wrote, "My mother is happy." Slowly, I started understanding how to use words. Next, I started reading simple English books. At first, it was very difficult. I did not understand many words, but I did not stop. I used a dictionary to find meanings. I read 1 page every day. Slowly, reading became easier. I also started watching English videos. I watched cartoons and short videos. I listened carefully. I tried to repeat what they said. Sometimes I paused the video and spoke the same sentence again and again. At first, my pronunciation was not good, but I did not feel bad. I kept trying. Every day, I improved a little. Then I started speaking English at home. My parents did not know much English, but they supported me. I spoke simple sentences like, "Give me water," or "I am hungry." My parents smiled and encouraged me. I also talked to my friends in English. We made a rule. Every day we would speak English for 10 minutes. We made many mistakes, but we laughed and learned together. One day, my teacher gave us a task. She said, "Speak about your daily routine in English." I was very scared. My hands were shaking, but I remembered my practice. I stood in front of the class and said, "I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I eat breakfast." My sentences were simple, but I spoke clearly. My teacher smiled and said, "Very good, Ria." I felt very happy that day. It was a small success, but it gave me confidence. After that, I started writing daily. I wrote about my day. I wrote about my family, my school, and my friends. My sentences were short, but they were correct. Writing helped me think in English. I also learned grammar slowly. I did not try to learn everything at once. I learned one rule at a time. For example, I learned about is, am, and are. Then I practiced them every day. I made mistakes, but I learned from them. I asked my teacher when I did not understand something. She always helped me. Sometimes I felt tired. Sometimes I wanted to stop, but I remembered my goal. I wanted to speak English confidently, so I continued my practice. After a few months, I saw a big change. I understood more words. I spoke better. I felt less shy. My classmates also noticed my improvement. One day, a new student came to our class. She did not understand English well. I helped her. I taught her simple words and sentences. I felt proud because I was helping someone else. My teacher said, "Ria, you have improved a lot. Keep going."
Her words made me very happy. Now I enjoy learning English. I read books every day. I watch English videos. I speak with my friends. English is no longer difficult for me. I know I am still learning. I still make mistakes sometimes, but I am not afraid anymore. Mistakes are part of learning. I learned one important thing. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about practice and confidence. If you practice every day, you will improve. If you are not afraid to make mistakes, you will learn faster. Today, I can speak English with confidence. I can understand my teacher. I can read books and write sentences. My journey was not easy, but it was worth it. Now I tell everyone, do not be afraid. Start small. Practice daily. Believe in yourself. This is how I improved my English. Moral of the story: practice every day, stay confident, and never be afraid of making mistakes.